Hello guys, today I'll be demonstrating you this portable TL series professional mini scale pellet weight tester. It is powered by two AAA size batteries, and as you can see it can measure the weight in 6 different units, that is gram, ounce, grain, carat, pennyweight and troy ounce. Let's have a look at the box. As you can see, it is made in Taiwan and it is CE certified. This particular weighing scale is capable of weighing a maximum of 50 grams in weight with a deviation of 0.001 grams, that is 1 milligrams of deviation. So let's open the box. Let's have a look what's inside. The user manual, a measuring bowl, a tweezer as you can see over here, a 50-gram weight to calibrate if there is any error, to calibrate the weighing scale if there is any error. And finally the weighing scale. You see, it is also mentioned over here that it is capable of weighing maximum of 50 grams with a deviation of 0.001 grams. As you can also see, there is a weight mode selection button and a tear button, and there is a on off button, and there is also one PC button. That means if you want to calculate how many pieces are there, it can calculate. So we'll check with the basic weight function. Okay, and this is a cover to protect the weighing table or the platform. So let's insert the batteries. It is a very sensitive scale. If you can see, if I take it above or try to move it, it fluctuates. That means it is a very sensitive scale and it needs to be placed in a very smooth surface to avoid any error. Okay, since it is a very sensitive and very sophisticated pellet weight tester, pellet as well as jewelry weight tester, you can even measure precious stones, jewels like gold or silver as well. So we'll check with the basic functionality. We'll check with the weight. Let's have a look. Now we are first of all we'll test with this RWS R10 pistol pellets, which claims to be with 7 grain or 0.45 grams. Let's have a look. We have to power on it. Now we'll test with a pellet. You can see it is 0.452 gram. Or if we change the mode in grain, then we'll be able to see how much it is. You see, it is 6.96 or 7 grains. Finally, it is 7 grains as it claims. As you can see over here, it is a 7 grain unit. So we'll try with another one. Another of the same pellet. You see, it is 7 grain. Okay, so this was RWS R10 match pistol pellets. Now we'll test with RWS R10 match rifle pellets that claims to be 8.2 grain. Let's test it. It is 8.18 grains. Let's test another one. Make sure you try to put it as possible center as it is. So it is 8.28 grams. So it may be a heavier one. The pellet is a heavier one. Let's try with another one. You see, it is 8.22 grain. Okay, so we'll try with another pellet that is from JSB Diablo, which claims 8.26 grain. It is actually 8.18 grain. We'll try with another one. Now this one is 8.24 grain. Let's try with another one. This one is 8.26 grain. So this is how you can measure the weight of your air pellets to measure the potentiality of maximum accuracy. So this was it. Thanks for watching.